Hey, does anyone know if they're done with the construction on Donovan's Reef? Cap that. Question mark. Select line. Post that to Facebook. Click OK. Stop listening. So that was an easy and quick demonstration of how you can quickly create text, post it to Facebook, and now it's on Facebook. If you want some more tips and want to subscribe to my YouTube channel, you could do that right here on this page. And if you want to learn more about my Dragon Naturally Speaking e-course, you could also visit my webpage right here on this page. I look forward to sharing with you more tips in the future, and we'll see you soon.